Hello, friends. Today, let us discuss a question from congruencies of triangles. Let me read the question. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC equals AD and AB bisects angle A. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? To solve this question, we need to learn what is congruent figures. Two geometrical figures having exactly the same shape and size are known as congruent figures. How we can say that triangles are congruent? Friends, what are the criteria for congruent triangles? I have made a video about the congruencies of triangles, and those who haven't seen it would do well to watch it. Let us move to the question. Given that AC equals to AD and AB bisects angle A, in this question we have to prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD, and we have to say about the side BC and BD. Let's do the first part. How can be both triangle congruent, or which criteria we can use it? Triangle ABC and ABD, the side AC and AD are equal. AB bisects angle A. Therefore, we can say that angle BAC equals to angle BAD. Bisects means equally divided. We can see that AB is a common side. If we compare both triangles, how both can be congruent? What are the criteria for congruent triangles? SAS, ASA, SSS, AAS, and RHS. We can see that two sides and included angle of triangle ABC is equal to two sides and included angle of triangle ABD are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD by SAS. Now, what we can say about BC and BD? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, so BC equals to BD. I hope you understand this topic. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.